Hi mga ka-adulting! Welcome to my channel. Kung first time mo dito, first time ko din, don't forget to like, subscribe para updated ka sa lahat ng ating life hacks at government how-tos. For today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-update ng civil status at married name at makakuha ng digital TIN ID gamit ang BIR Orus Online. Yes po, no pila, no stress, kaya kung kakatapos mo lang ikasal, this video is for you. First things first, ano nga ba ang ORUS? ORUS stands for Online Registration and Update System ng BIR. It allows taxpayers to update their registration info online, including civil status, name, RDO transfer, and more. So ito yung mga requirements: BIR ORUS account, S1905 form, to valid government IDs at marriage certificate if married. So ready na tayo. Step 1, visit the BIR ORUS portal. You can use Google Chrome or desktop browser para iwas error. So www.orusbir.gov.ph or the link provided. So kung may account ka na, log in using your email and password. Kung wala pa, click the new registration and individual and then click create an account. Read the terms and condition and then click the agree. So kung wala ka nang babaguhin sa information mo, you can register a taxpayer, click with existing TIN, input your TIN number, first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, your civil status, and your gender. Also, you can input your email address and create a password and then click register. So in my case, dahil kakakasal ko lang, kailangan ko magpapalit ng civil status and my last name, kaya hindi mo na ako makapag-register ng account. So you can update all your information through S1905 or registration update sheet ng BIR. Search nyo lang po sa browser nyo yung S1905 and yung pinaka-latest, yun po yung i-download nyo. Fill up all the information, including TIN, registered name, hanggang sa baba po. And then, kung hindi nyo po alam yung RDO code nyo, punta lang po kayo sa browser nyo and then search nyo po yung RDO finder. Also, input nyo ulit doon yung mga details na kailangan and then i-validate po yan ni BIR at magre-reply sila kung anong RDO branch code nyo. In my case po, RDO 53A Las Piñas City ang aking RDO code. Malalaman nyo po yung email address ng inyong RDO sa RMC number 122-2022 Annex B. Nakalagay po lahat dyan yung mga RDO email address ng bawat branch. Next step po, i-email nyo lang po yung RDO branch nyo na nagre-request po kayo na i-update ang inyong information. Don't forget to attach your updated S1905 form with signature to valid government ID, marriage certificate if married na po, and if gusto nyo po ipabago yung billing address nyo din, proof of billing po, mag-attach lang din po tayo. And then shout out po sa RDO Las Piñas, no? Napakabilis po nilang mag-reply, kaya nakapag-create na po ako ng aking BIR Orus account. Last step po is mag-login lang po tayo sa BIR Orus account natin. And then, click po natin yung View Your Digital TIN ID or Get Your Digital TIN ID. Then, scroll down lang po tayo. And then, click ulit natin yung View Your Digital TIN ID. Then, mag-attach lang po tayo ng ID picture. And then, mag-generate na po siya. And that's it. Finally, meron na po akong Digital TIN ID. Super easy lang, diba? Hindi mo na kailangan pumila sa mga BIR office. And if this video helped you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. At kung may question ka pa, I'll try to reply as many as I can. Thank you for watching!